ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Office District Social Welfare Officer West Janda Hills District baka Jowai City YMCA haka pundur truk juliu arajar posau les nok tilang bandrakhe International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking kumchbinta ban Pynsngewthuh ikpat ba haloka Kynthih jung drok iklong yinglong sem haka jingalang kablalong ha District Library Auditorium Jowai la sakhilang du Deputy Commissioner ka West Janda Hills uba BS Solia UMDC ba Olamin Skill Development Officer ba Dswo, Regional Secretary ka YMCA ba S Thaba, Ukeshif Laba ubade Counselor cum Center in Charge UDIC ka Kripa Foundation Shnong, Dr. Dida Khongla, Psychiatrist Jongsan Care Shnong, Uebor Wan Mi O Majau bat QA. Hakadigaski ke DSWO klapenlong ru e ke jingya kop draw door na bentai khna school bala samru e ke sernat shabro ke nong job hakaba ya ke kedan bandingkong bat ba la yora daga durka pasa bat kintulang IO saten na ke sendrat higher secondary school bat kedan ke bala la yora da ke Eldora Rembai na ke Jayantia Secondary School Jowai.
On my side, I would like to emphasize that drugs has no barrier. It doesn't care whether you're rich, you're poor, you're old, you're young, you're a student, you're not a student, you're employed, you're not employed. It doesn't matter, it doesn't care. And I came to know also that Ma just now, who had given the testimony, Ma Bante, it was a beautiful testimony, again, from the heart, not offensive. Begitu baru kilang balasian, balayak lembah, balasutur, baladon hok, balala apa berpuni, berpempang. So thank you, Ma, from your side, or from my side to you also. But he is also self-employed. Now he is earning his own living. That shows life goes on. It is not because after drugs, what to do. There's always things to do. But from what I gather, he is not employed by the government, but he is self-employed. The resilience after overcoming addiction, nobody has yet overcome addiction, he's recovering. The term that they use is always recovering. Like for example, now we won't call him recovered, we're calling him recovering. It's always like that, recovering. And yes, but that didn't stop him from venturing to the areas where how to earn a living and be self-employed. Affliction, Jingma. Katno ki suffer, but katno ki bahadiye basam ki bedal saudong ki basumar bape ki kiru ki suffer. But to new jingdi no drugs, chemical drugs, or to nedu to balahong ba alcohol also. Drugs the ulong ba very addictive. Ila katong hani kapor. I will just try once. Tang si siang ang persyang. Nakadaw, lesi nakadaw di subsi, lesi nakadaw jom kapag ilang depressed, ilang tense, ilang tension, and persyang tang sisiyan na anong lesyo, masupet ka ilang gumno. Let me just try and find out how it feels. Will I get a relief or will I feel good about myself? And it is from that moment it starts.